Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have 2019, 18, 17, 20 Honda, whether it's Honda Civic or Honda Accord or Honda Pilot. All this range of cars from 17 with a push button, they come with this kind of remote. So now this remote here, sometimes you need to come to your car, and anytime you come, you push one of this door and one of this button, and the door lock, unlock, or you push this one for the trunk. When you push and you hold, the car should start. And here, if you don't know where you park your car, or for the panic, also you push this one a little bit back like this, and you pull this one in case this is not cut yet, in case the battery went dead, the battery go dead or anything, then you can use this one and open the door manually. Sometime when the battery here go bad, how you know? By when you push it here, you see you have a small light here. When this battery go bad, you have to go and put this one near the push button place or around a certain area to make the car start. That means when you come near the car, you push the button, they will not open the door for you. Why? Because there is no signal. In order for you to test it, we have this piece also, and you can have those tools. This one here for advanced work, to program remote, program key, colon keys, and so on. But it has also a frequency tester. Like here, I can click it. It will show you if the key also is good or not, or the chip inside is good or not, by scrolling down here, and then you're gonna push OK, and then auto detect. It will detect what you have in there. You see, ID 47, high tap, locked, clonable. Okay, this one we know already what's going on. Now this one also, you can go back and go back again and scroll down to frequency tester. The same frequency, you click OK. If you want to know if you have frequency on this or not, you push this one, and you should, you see it's working. Now if the battery is good and you push it and it doesn't work, that means remote could be bad. If you put it here and you read it and know, this one is for remote and the other one is for the immobilizer to start the car. Now what happens if the key is no good? First, you need to check your battery. For example, I have this one here. I'm gonna push it here. You see this light is not turning on. You see there is no light here. If I push this one, I have light, and you see the graphic also play, and I see I have a light. So our next step is to replace the battery to see if your remote is gonna work or not. And when you don't have this light, if your car, you push it and door lock, unlock doesn't work, or you must come near the car and working, first thing you have to do is to change the battery. How are you going to change the battery? Okay. Also, this is also one of the testers. It also tell you if the frequency or the remote is good or not. How? By pushing this button here, stir on, and now if I push this one, you see you have a voice. Now with this one, I don't have nothing. So what you need to do, you have to try to change the battery first. First, what you're gonna do, we're gonna push this one to this side and pull the key out. Good. The second thing we have to do is, if you have a strong hand, you can pop it up like this. Very simple. This here is the emergency key pocket. You can put it in here. So now our work is to replace this piece. Get some kind of small screwdriver, flathead like this. This one is good. You can get it. It have couple of items here for your handy work. Instead of take this one out and get a flathead, which is like this. Keep it here. Put those back. Okay, now I'm gonna close it. I will use this one and take my battery out. I will pull it in. Slowly, don't break it, okay? Okay, my battery is out. See, and it show you minus here, and it show you plus here. That means when you cover it, the plus, this one facing the top, the plus. So it's gonna be like this, which is inside, and the minus, this is the minus, have to be inside. A lot of people, they change it and they put it wrong, and the remote never work, especially some cars, and it is not even starting the car sometime. So now our job is to get the battery. Also look at the battery number. You see here, C as in Charlie, R2032 is your battery. Because any remote, all the remotes, they have a different batteries. Okay, CR, a lot of manufacturers. This is Sony. You're gonna take one, or just open it from here, take it out, and then also just try to come here, put it in and push it. Beautiful. Now before you close it, you can try. You see now I have the light blinking. That means I'm good. So you can either put it like this and close it, which is gonna work. Okay, I prefer to take the remote out, and then, because sometimes will not work good, take the emergency key out. After you close it, now you have everything here. You can put your remote inside. Now you are ready to go, and we're gonna bring our tester. Remember, before only one work. Okay, working, lock work, unlock work, unlock work. This is the trunk, and this is hold to remote start the car. And we have a fully functional 2 remote for your car. Always my second and last advice is to have your spare key. Having a spare key is a peace of mind. Please, I know people who have to pay almost $1,000 by the time they get their car key, because he went to, or you go to a place where there is no tow truck, or there is a tow truck, but there is no locksmith, or a weekend. Like a friend of mine, he bought a car. He asked me. I told him congratulations, but have a spare key. He didn't. New York, he went to Six Flags, upside down on roller coaster. Finally, the key fell there. You have to tow the car back to New York. If the key costs you $150 to $200, or whatever, even $50, why you pay $1,500 or $1,200, $1,500 or $1,000 tow, headache, and stress? Thank you for watching.